Alright, getting down in here. Here's the autopilot control box. Here's my compass that I gotta mount still. But getting everything in, getting everything wired up here and worked on, and just getting things working as I can. Got some new stern lights going, and yeah, we're getting there. Here we got new stern lights mounted on each side. Then I just ran the wires for, you can see it down in there, but be my rudder indicator when I get the autopilot all hooked up here. Ran the wire all back in. Yeah, just working on things. Next up is fixing that leak. And then replacing this big old thing with a twister drive. We'll see how that goes.